Today, we're going to talk about how AI is taking a huge leap forward, moving from just being a helpful assistant to, well, to a real operational powerhouse. And no, this isn't just about fancier chatbots. We're talking about building a brand new kind of team, AI agents, your new digital workforce. I mean, really think about that for a second. What if you had a team that literally never sleeps? A team that's constantly handling your prospecting, doing deep research, and personalizing every single customer email, all while you focus on the big picture. That's the promise of what the industry calls agentic AI, and it's all about AI that can actually do things. So let's break down what that really means. So here's the plan for today. First, we'll nail down exactly what an AI agent is. Then, we'll look at what it takes to build your own digital workforce. After that, we'll dive into some real-world business results, talk about why human oversight is so crucial, and finally, we'll map out how you can actually get started. Right, so what exactly are we talking about when we say AI agent? It's a term that gets thrown around a lot. Let's cut through all that hype and get to a really simple, clear understanding of what makes this a genuine business tool. Okay, this right here shows the fundamental shift. You know how a chatbot works, right? It's reactive. It just sits there, waits for you to ask a question, and then follows a script. An AI agent, on the other hand, is proactive. You give it a goal, something like, find me 10 new leads that fit our ideal customer profile. And it goes off and figures out how to do it. It plans and executes a whole series of steps all by itself. The key word you need to remember here is autonomous. See, these agents don't just respond to you. They can perceive, reason, and plan on their own. To hit a goal that you've set, they can actually go out and use tools, like they can browse the web or dig through your CRM to get the job done. Honestly, this is the best way to think about it. An AI model, like a GPT-4, that's just the engine. Yeah, it's incredibly powerful, but an engine can't go anywhere on its own. An AI agent, well, that's the entire car. It takes that powerful engine and combines it with memory, tools, and a destination. It's a complete system that can actually get up and drive. So how does this actually look in the real world? Well, you don't just go out and hire one general-purpose digital worker. The real magic happens when you build a team of specialized agents. Each one has a very specific role, just like on a human team. Check this out. It's like a team roster. You can have a research agent that's constantly scanning the market for new leads. Then, an engagement agent takes that list and starts sending out super personalized outreach. Meanwhile, a nurturing agent is keeping your colder leads warm, and maybe you have a fulfillment agent managing your inventory. See? They all work together, passing tasks back and forth just like a real team would. So this all sounds pretty great in theory, but what does it actually look like in practice? Let's talk about the real, measurable results that businesses are seeing right now. 7 times. That's the number you need to see. According to one study, teams that are using this kind of AI are 7 times more likely to blow past their organizational goals. This isn't just a small improvement. We're talking about a massive competitive advantage. And this table just breaks it down perfectly. Agents aren't just checking off tasks. They're actually moving the needle on your key performance indicators. For lead intelligence, they're scoring leads in real time, which boosts the quality right away. For personalization, they're adapting messages on the fly, and that leads to more meetings booked. They directly connect their actions to real business outcomes. And this quote right here, it absolutely nails the strategic shift that's happening. Your job is no longer about manually clicking buttons in a piece of software. It's about becoming an architect, designing, overseeing, and fine-tuning these systems of agents that do the work for you. It's a much higher level, more strategic role for people. Now, this naturally brings up a really big question. Are these agents here to replace us? And the answer is a clear, definitive no. The most effective systems, by far, are designed as a partnership, with humans still firmly in control. This is so important to get. Building in human oversight isn't a sign that the AI is weak. It's actually a sign that the system is incredibly smart. You absolutely want a human to provide that final judgment, that context, that approval on the big decisions. It's a strategic safety net. So how does that safety net actually work? Well, it's a pretty simple loop. The agent kicks off a task, but when it gets to a critical point, say approving a large budget spend, it pauses. It escalates to a human expert who makes the final call. The agent then executes that decision and, this is the really cool part, it learns from that feedback so it gets better next time. And you've really got 2 main ways to do this:
Human in the loop is that hard stop, a checkpoint where the AI has to wait for your thumbs up. Think about a huge loan approval. Then you have human on the loop, which is more like that safety net. The AI acts on its own, but a human is watching and can jump in if needed. That's perfect for high-volume stuff like screening for fraud.
All right, let's say you're on board. This stuff is powerful. But how do you actually start? Where do you even begin? Let's walk through a clear, actionable game plan. It really boils down to 4 steps. First, define your goals. You've got to know what you're trying to achieve. Second, and I can't stress this enough, you have to clean and unify your data. Your agents are only as smart as the information you give them. Third, start small. Run a pilot project. And fourth, constantly monitor and measure your results against those goals you set in step 1.
And to wrap up the how-to part, just remember these key things. Clean data is completely non-negotiable. It's garbage in, garbage out. Define what success looks like before you start so you know what you're aiming for. And try to look for tools with easy native integration. It'll save you a ton of headaches. And finally, if you can, focus on real-time automation. That's where you'll see the quickest wins.
This quote really brings it all home. The future isn't about becoming some kind of prompt writing wizard. It's about becoming a master systems builder, an architect who can design and manage a team of digital workers to achieve some truly incredible results. So, the technology is here. A tireless, intelligent, and totally scalable digital workforce is ready and waiting to be deployed. The only question left is, are you ready to lead it?